Okay, so I recently purchased this Tesla key fob, and you can watch the previous video for the review and unboxing. And this is really cool. This is a really beautiful key fob, and this is made of plastics, and it has kind of like piano surface finish, so it's very smooth and shiny. The problem is, if you just put this in your pocket or put this with your keys, and it's gonna get scratched in 1 or 2 days, and then this gonna look really bad. So to prevent that happening, what you can do is you can go to Amazon to purchase a Tesla key fob cover, and I think the price range start from like $8-9 with a silicone one, all the way to like $30-40. You can get yourself either metal casing one or leather one, and I really like the leather one on Amazon. Oops, oh, I dropped it. All right, I find it. Okay, where was I? All right, yeah, so I really like the leather key fob cover on Amazon, but they're like 20-30, at least $25. And I really enjoy the looking of leather, and I enjoy handling leather. I think it feels really nice. So instead of buying one on Amazon, I decided to make one myself, and I decided to craft my own Tesla Model Y key fob. So this is the final result. I never had any leather crafting experiences. Well, and I just watched a couple YouTube videos, and feels like it was not that bad. So I went to Hobby Lobby and bought some of the tools and some of the scrap leather, and I find out this one works very well. It's relatively soft, but still have this nice finishing. And also I try to stamp Model Y here. Apparently this leather won't hold stamp very well. You can still see some of the marks, Model Y. And on the other hand, on the other side, I try to stamp my branding, but didn't work out very well. But overall, this will hold your Tesla key fob, and the material, it's probably less than $5. All you need to do is watch a couple YouTube videos, and you got yourself a nice looking key fob cover. If you want to see more pictures and follow my Instagram, Suburban James, I will copy and paste the link in the description, so you can check out my Instagram account and follow my Instagram. I don't have much followers. And also, if you like this video and like this crafting idea, please like and subscribe my channel. I need more subscribers. Thank you for watching. Bye.